Okay. What is your name?
My name is Laprissima Garcia,
How old are you?
39 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old they are?
16, 15, and 11.
Okay. Do you have any working experience in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
How long?
1 and 10 months.
How many family members their previous employer?
4.
4 person. What is your main duties your previous employer?
Marketing, clean house and car wash, care children, cooking.
What time you sleep in the night time?
10 o'clock.
How about the morning? What time you wake up?
5 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.